Last night, Steven and I ate all of your Halloween candy. Yeah. I'm sorry.
Why?
We just didn't realize we were eating that much. It was really good.
Did you eat the chocolates or did Steven eat the chocolates?
Steven. Why are you covering your face? Uncover your face. I'm gonna have to tell you something, Brie. I'm just messing with you. We didn't eat any of your candy last night. It's not funny. It's all in the pantry. You still have all your candy.